No! I will succeed! The destruction of Atsuato will be repaid 1,000-fold. The end of the world is nigh. Let's see you survive this! What? How? Get up! Get up! I've had enough of you! Face your ambition! This is not over yet! Existence is merely energy. There is no escape. No! Do not fail me. Not now! How could this happen? All I've done. All that I sacrificed.
Your people cannot be saved. History is already written. You can stay here and die, or come with us and help save the future.
The legacy of the Val must be protected. I do know of a way to contain the beast.
Best you start talking then. My friend here isn't exactly the peacemaking type.